fall, you thought that I would break. Issues left and right, and nothing is working out. But still, I'm holding on, yeah, I'm holding on, yeah, I'm holding on. You never bring me down. You thought that I would fall, you thought that I would break. Issues left and right, and nothing is working out. But still, I'm holding on, yeah, I'm holding on, yeah, I'm holding on. You never bring me down. You thought that I would fall, you thought that I would break. Issues left and right, and nothing is working out. But still, I'm holding on, yeah, I'm holding on, yeah, I'm holding on. You never bring me down.
It's a cold world, but I'm hotter than hell. I'm hanging with daddies that drip and Chanel. My status is on a new level. Try to put me down, you get stepped on. With the kicks on my shelf, it's like I'm Van Damme. Attacking me, that is your own death. They're guessing me, tripping on me, gunning for me. I pray for them, they pray on me. I'm still at.
Hey, what up everybody, this is Guys, thank you so much for joining in. We are back again with a brand new episode. And I know guys, I know you've been impressed these days that, you know, I'm really pushing and trying my best. So yeah, thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Press that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I drop, people. And don't forget to engage on the comment section. With that being said, we have a wonderful guest today, and she's gonna introduce herself. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. So can you just tell us a bit, what's your name, what's your surname, where are you from?
Okay, my name is Gubuletu Magatube. I was born and bred in Tsakane.
Okay.
I'm from Tsakane, but I recently stayed in Springs.
Okay.
Springs myself.
Wow. So born and raised in Tsakane. Shout out to Tsakane guys, you know. Yeah. So, okay, I can see a ring. Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
How long have you been married?
It's so yeah, I was married last year. January.
Wow.
Yes, new.
Oh, that's nice. Wow. So, yeah, can you just tell us a bit about yourself before we go anywhere when it comes to career and stuff?
Okay, I work in Rakpan.
Okay.
Although for some reasons I won't be able to disclose the organization or the company that I work for.
Okay.
Yes, I work in Rakpan. I've been working since from 2009.
Okay.
I am 16 years now working. Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Sure. It has been long, eh?
Yeah, it's long, very long.
Sure. So, let us know what brought you to the podcast today.
Okay, yeah, the thing that brought me here today, it's about victimization and harassment. It's abuse that I'm experiencing in the workplace.
Okay.
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah, it has been very tough, and the abuse, it started in, when I noticed it was in 2023.
Okay.
Yeah. There's a person whom was my friend. We were close. We were friends.
Okay.
We were together. I want to tell you, we never had a fight. Like, not a fight or an argument that I can recall that me and myself and the person that we wanted.
Okay.
But things started to turn off. Because if I have to recall, it started when she came to my house. It was in 2023. I had this thing with these ancestral things that I did for my elder daughter. Yes. And I invited her to come to my house.
Okay.
So she came and we said it was fine, everything was fine, you know. And then she left and other people left, and then we went back to work as we worked together. And I noticed some change in her. We say it's a change in her, and there's had some change now. But being the person I am, I don't like confronting a person with why am I changing, or what happened, or what did I do? I'm one person who would like to just ignore whatever it is, just to avoid arguments and stuff like that. Mm-hmm. So I avoided that, and okay, now this person is changing. She's been my friend. Right? then we went on, we were fine, me and him.
Yeah.
But there was this change. But before we go to the change, before going to the point that she changed, when we were friends, this is what happened.
Yeah.
As I'm saying, Uti, I was born and bred in Sakane. I am the only one in Kai. I am the only child.
Okay.
I lost my mom, I lost my dad. So basically, yes, I do have relatives, but most relatives, there are those that you will say, okay, there are things that you will involve them, there are things that you say, I don't involve this, you understand?
Yeah.
Yes, I do have relatives. And there was a time at work when they requested we should fill in the forms of a beneficiary. That when you die, it's going to take your money and whatever. So I've got 2 minor kids, that the other is 5, the other is 8 now.
Yeah.
So I was told it was a new introduced thing that when you put them as a beneficiaries, you have to put a person that will be a guardian to them as they are underage, should it happen that I die.
Okay.
So now I was puzzled to put okay, now who do I put as a guardian to this kid should anything happen to me? And then looking at the relationship that myself and this friend of mine had, the relationship was good. Like I took her as my own sister. We were very close. We would go together. We would go party together. We were close, me and I.
Yeah.
There are those friendships that you would be close to a person and you feel like now I take as my own sister.
Yeah.
It went
because we're like real best friends.
Yes, it went to that point. We were close. And then I approached her and would say, look, here's the situation. Tell me, if I have to put you as a guardian to my kids, should anything happen to me, would you mind? And she was like, I know. I'm like, yeah, I would not mind. I would take off them, should anything happen to you. And then I was happy, okay, fine. So me and I should say the same thing, me and I.
Yeah.
So she gave me the ID numbers, addresses, everything about her. So I filled it in. So she was my beneficiary, or a guardian, to my kids. So we went on, everything was fine. As I'm saying that, then it went to a point where she came to my house after that she changed. But I was like, I don't think it's a big thing, but I noticed that change. And then M17, where we work, she is my senior. Yeah, she's my senior. And she was recently promoted to another, and I was so happy. I remember when we received the news that she got the promotion. The way I was so happy, that happiness that will even bring tears to your ears, to your eyes. That was the kind of happiness that I had, when I heard she was promoted. I was so happy for her. Wow, did I know? We were not in the same page, you understand? So it went on until at some point they used to have rumors. They would say things to me and there were rumors. She wants to take a vehicle from me. I mean, I must not drive the vehicle at work. Who do I think I am? I'm like, okay. It didn't bother me much because it didn't make sense to me. She was pretending to be fine to me, yet I'm hearing such things. Until she approached me. Now, okay, it was a vehicle that was taken from me. Her friends that she had, other friends at work, they were owning the vehicles. Okay, not owning as such, but they had vehicles that belonged to them. I also had a vehicle that belonged to me. But I mean, the one that I had, it was taken from me. Okay, now the vehicle is taken. Why? When did it start? You understand? Okay, I ignored the whole thing. Then it went on, noticing things are no longer the same. Okay. Then it went on until Usisi Lona opened a case. Okay, before we go to a case, as I'm saying, I invited her through. Now, January last year.
Yes.
I got married in January on the 20th. It was on a Saturday.
Yes.
And seeing the kind of relationship that myself and her had. Okay, it was amalobolo. You know us in our tradition, you don't call the whole card and say, hey, what was that? You just do a small thing. It's okay, so I didn't call her. Knowing Guti, we are not in the same page anymore. I could notice with time and there's some bitterness. So I only called one friend at work, Guti. maybe she's my friend. And then we came through. Although it became a big thing, I didn't expect it to get to that point. So it was on Saturday, then Sunday, 21. On the 22nd, I went back to work.
Yeah.
So when I went back to work, Queen Baby, they said you can, because when we serve in a company where you're not supposed to ever do and what, but we can just request only for 10 days that you wear it do with the child.
Okay.
So I wore them from 10 days.
Okay.
The beginning of my massage.
Oh my word.
Yo.
Oh my word.
Yo. Hasn't when she saw me wearing it do with the child.
Okay, wait. So you can ask a question. So the superiors were okay because you did request that you can wear that.
Okay. Yes, I did.
Okay.
And then when she saw me, I announced it. But she could not even greet me on that day.
Oh my God.
Yeah, there was not even a hello. All along there was this hello you pretend about. Hi, but from that point, there was no hello. So I could feel good. Yeah, I imagine. Yeah, I imagine. Yes, I kind of strong. So, okay, we noticed that. Now she was busy going to an office with her composition. We get out an office and then telling them, I saw I'm talking about kilo. Who's all last 3 months?
What?
Hey.
Oh no.
Hey, Bob.
No, she didn't.
She did. Trust me, she did. The things that woman does, when a woman has to soul,
Yo. Just hearing the njengamanje ngizwa ngathi ngavele ngijopele.
Yeah.
Oh my word.
Ujaje or ukhulumo lubhule ukuthi izolasta 3 months.
Yo.
That's another thing.
Yo.
You understand? I heard it when they told me. I'm like, oh, Shoganjani. Oh, okay. I kept quiet. And now there were rumors of it. Now, and then my problem is, if you're happy, why is it hurting you? Why is it hurting you? Why is it wrong? You understand?
Yeah.
Hey, okay. Then I kept quiet. Because man, you remember who is superior I am.
Yeah.
And then yes, I do go out of my way, but
Yeah.
I do go out of my way, but let me hang you. But I do go to a point
Yeah.
But I didn't go to that point. I kept quiet. Alright, it went on. I was taking for me. I am not driving. And I'm being a woman,
Yeah.
ukhona uku-influencer nabantu abahaya kuye.
Yo.
Yeah, ayibhoza le.
Yo.
Uyaba-influencer abatshela ukuthi mamela la manje senze so. Mamela la uGugu angeke senze so. Aba-influencer and abantu bezela emva kwakhe abandlula ye. You understand? Yena uphansi.
Yena uphansi kunayo.
Yawukumba overpower abatshele ukuthi mamela uGugu uso. Bonke bese babhayisikeleni. Yeah, that woman. So now I'm noticing, and believe me, I was not the only one noticing something. People came to me and said, "We are born on the mountains." I said, "We are born." But
Like you imagine, it becomes an unhealthy environment to work under. Yo.
Like the flu, yes. Okay, there came a time. I'm a paper, I'm a document and 7 an hour. She would tell Labelung 7 an hour because obviously.
Yeah.
She would tell Labelung Guti, Mago's the people saw. Ningamniki. What Shuti, when's that magic? Unganza Guti, Inga and 7 next. You understand? That started because Kaluba Bob Peter, when I got married. And then if Peter Nasiaka, Galabochana, fighting of February was so fire. Yeah, I the same happened between.
So what sparked that fire? What was the reason behind that?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, shuthi yonke into enhle ifanele yena.
Okay.
Yeah. Once uqala ngathi uyamdlula then so uyamkhaphela manje uyamjwayela. Akumelanga udlule. Kumele yonke into sizwe ngaye.
Kanti kufanele kube uyethu la hayi.
Yeah, mamela kufanele kulotsholwe yena ngaleli langa. So kanjani kulotsholwa lokho? Hayibo, kanjani? How did it get to that point? Ngithi lo lesibheka Peter. And ngangokuthi akafiki ne angazi ngathini akekho civilized akekho professional uyakhuluma nje uyayenza nje akanandaba ukuthi uba uthini and ngangokuthi she has lost her dignity emsebenzini and she does not realize that
and she doesn't care.
hayi akanandaba hayi kwazongitshelani nandaba yabo so yeah, it got to that point and then yasithulela bathatha amaphepha ofisini. There was a time I had documents which I went to fetch from another department beko ofisini lami yabo and then ngaphuma ngazi ngayaphi mangibuya bebabaningi nje ama-document wakhona umsebenzi mangibuya hayibo ama-document awasekho phezu kwetafula guys ayephi la ma-document bathi hayi asazi wonke umuntu asazi guys bathi ama-document awafukwenenyawo. And then mengilandelela bese bathi ayike uboss wakho uthe kumele ungatholi kwani bangabiliki kwamoto bangabiliki kwani.
What?
Okay, why? Asikho kwakhe la asizosebenza and sonke sosebenza labantwana.
Okay, what was the reason for her to say that?
Kanani yeah, because umphethe she can do as she
whatever she wants.
Yeah,
hey man, this is bad.
like yo and then the documents were taken. Okay, okay, now I'm sitting here. Okay, because ngivukile ekuseni ngathi ngemsebenzini. So ngifikile ekusebenzini. So mawuzothatha wonke lama document ngihlale ngenzeni. Ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi since from ngalo February ne. Yeah. I remember kwakuyi-6 February ngokwenzeka into last year. Ngihleli uFebruary loya till February not this year. Yeah. Ngayenzi next. Ngifika, ngihlale ngihambe, ngifika, ngihlale ngayenzi next. Ngihambe ngiye kulo omphethe, ophethe yena. Ngiyoreport kuye ukuthi hayi mamela phela kune situation lapho so hayi suwara sihlala usuwara. Usuwara so incede lento leso isolve. Ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi ngihleli apho abathehla lapho sizokusenza until February na February. Ngafaka ama-grievances against this woman, nobody attended to it. Ngafaka another grievance, nobody attended to it. Msebenzini. Ngabona ukuthi no lie.
This is terrible.
Yeah, it's bad. La ngisazi manje ukuthi ngisiza kanjani because ukufaka kwami-grievance ukuthi ngiyakhala nathi isikhalo ngincedeni. This is the only way I can voice out ukuthi kuyenzakala so lo muntu uhlala e-ofisini ukhuluma ngomshado wami lo muntu yenza so
guys ungena kumshado wakho ke
ile understand ila everyone was like kanti lo sisi inkinga yakhe ikuphi kanti mangani ukuthi believe me like I don't know it didn't end there. Then there was a course bokufanele ngiyoyenza ePitoli. So i-course leyo it was for i-workshop kahle for i-1 week 5 days.
Yeah.
And then obviously ngiyalapha I must have a car. Eyasemsebenzini ukuthi ngicela ukusebenza.
Yeah.
Hayi I went to uboss wakhe uboss wami ukuthi buka ngicela imoto ngicela and then izongitshela that course nayiza ize kuma email emsebenzini basho ukuthi uGugu not someone else but uGugu. And yafikela kuye bamnika nasisandeni ukuthi sicela nganisele ifile nafile athi sicela ukuthi ufonele uGugu uye uyomsayinisa phela na i-course wathi hayi ngizobona ukuthi ngenza kanjani abatshela kanjani wathuna tu kwafika ne-due date bathi submithani nina labesibizile submithani kwafika i-due date until I was called by a woman from eJobe ukuthi hayi sisi asikatholi into zakho why ungakasubmit ngithangazi ngikhuluma ngani ayisendile izinto nanani no one I got reply and esibhalile ngumuntu phela sibizayo la hayi I had to drive from my house going to emsebenzini ukuthi hayi guys kuthiwa songisalifini kuthiwa sasa iphi izinto lezi hayi ubantu bekasiphethe kushiwo yena ozi kuye.
Okay, so they knew, but they didn't tell you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mara ngiyacabanga ukuthi the reason they never told me ubatshelile ukuthi yeah sidila ngaloyo muntu boy. So ngiyafika ngicela nginikele ayi singaxolisa thumela i-CV nana ngiyaxolisa la siyaxolisa submitted ngasenda ngeimini zahamba bangibiza bathi socala ngelanga so kwakumarch I remember last year.
Yeah.
Mangicala lapho phela mina ngifuna imoto angeke ngihambe ngimoto yami leyo ngathi imoto zomsebenzi and ngisho imoto ngithathele iboss yeah. So ngithi-ke
with no reason.
Hayi no reason mina drive
The nerve and the audacity.
yeah cabanga
Yo.
okay then ngicela imoto iboss yami leyo ekuyibhosi yakhe hey kuza amakhweshini amaningi I think bamtshela ukuthi hey angikumnika imoto lo muntu lo hayi iphi amagama iphi yonke into makathi iphi ngithi nani iphi ngithi iphi akasana excuse phela manje ngicela imoto ngicela ukuhamba ngimathele course ngicela ukutshela ukuthi yeah ekugcineni ngayithola imoto hey after struggle I got the car and then I went to Benoni. I attended the course.
Yeah.
Theme ngicela uku-attend the course. Mele ngibalike imoto back manje ne.
Yeah.
So ngithi mina kulo baba lo othi mangilethe imoto ngithi okay look I don't have a problem. Ngizokunika i-key zemoto but ngifuna ukuthi ungitshele ukuthi i-plan yakho ithini because mele ngiyosebenza.
Yeah.
I must serve ama-members of the public. So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi mawunika laba abanye abayisa imoto mina ungibandlulula uthi ngisebenze kanjani because since uthema ngihlale lapho uzonginika umsebenzi ngizohamba since ngihlele uMarch manje ngicela ngoFebruary so ngitshele i-plan yakho ukusebenza hayi ngicela unginike imoto ngithi anginaki ukunika imoto tell me ukuthi yini engizoyenza ngifuna ngisho umsebenzi ngizosebenza you cannot expect me to come from home ngibuye ngizohlala endlini ngihlale and then ngiyenze ingayenzi lutho you understand yini lokho you understand hayi ngicela isikhiya semoto ngithi no ngifuna bazibheka anganginiki ngithi okay I'm going to keep the key until you tell me ukuthi mhlawumbe uzothi imoto kule viki isebenzisa lo wena hlala ofisini kule viki isebenzisa lo wena hlala so tell me the plan hayi ngathatha isikhiya asibeka I drove the car mengidriver imoto mind you ngenza umsebenzi angiye eCarnival City or ngiye ngenza umsebenzi imoto umsebenzi I want to tell you ukuthi ngafonelwa bathi must bring the car let's moto ngithi moto sendele case
What? No ways.
kulelo bani nguyisisi kuleli case ungivuleli case ukuthi I am using the vehicle without the owner's consent i-owner ubani nguye owner yokusebenza.
Isn't it a company's car?
It is the company's car.
So ngena phi ke la?
She feels good. She owns the cars. Not only that one, all the cars are hers.
Hey.
Makathi imoto yami, babathatha isikhi imoto yami.
Ayibona ngasenza uNkulunkulu.
Hayi uNkulunkulu akathebe loyo. Loyo uNkulunkulu loyo. uGod. Loyo God. Ngithi ngitshela ukuthi ngavula i-case ngibasebathi kuvula i-case.
Yo.
Vula i-case. Okay. Bamfonela lo mphathi wakhe wathi ngicela ukuthi ulethe imoto kuku uvulela i-case nini ngicela i-key zemoto. Wathi what? Asuka endlini. Ngaza. Ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi mangiza ne. Hayi sekastelile. Madam, hayi. Ustelile. Ustele amaphoyisa ukuthi bangibophe. Mangifike bangithathe mina bangibophe.
What? Oh, no way.
Yo. Ngithi kwathiwa kwalandwa amaphoyisa laba be-dog unit bathi amaphoyisa mabayongifuna baze bangithole and bangilungise ngezinja yebo ngitshela yini amaphoyisa ukuthi hayibo wena phela bafanele ulungiswe ngezinja ngithi mina bathi wena aggressive wena uphuzile utshwala udayiwe ngithi hayibo
Oh no, wait. Are we? Is this real? Like
it's
I see movie this could
Bamela like into ezakalayo bamela environment engiphila kuyo mina emsebenzini like on a daily basis ngiphila nalomuntu lo mina ngiphila nalomuntu lo ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi makahlangana nami yasazi smile skipha
sure.
Hi girls unjani mamela omunye umuntu uthe hayi wena ngomfunelayo usmile kanjani right
Yo.
That woman
Pretend.
a very big one, the best of them all.
The queen of pretend. Yo, I just can't believe what you're saying right now.
Yeah.
But how did you take that? How did you handle the whole matter? Like,
Sure.
I just want to hear from you. When was this one, and how do you feel about this whole?
Yo, this thing, it has cost me so much. I was once who medication and depression.
Yo,
Because it didn't sit well with me. And they're coming to a point to say, yeah, reporter. Yeah, reporter, and I would report any. No one is doing anything about it. I must watch it with or in or I don't know. Like it was so bad. It was bad. So okay, we are about the case.
yeah, nigga.
Using the method without the bonus consent. Oh, okay, fine, case correction. That's the mode. Since then, you go 2 years. She was check on the track of check on the the suspect and cool.
Ayo. Putting more money. What are you saying right now?
Ngithi bachekwa hayi labantu kufanele bazongibopha bathi babuze ukuthi kahle kahle umuntu osembopha ngoba baseliwe ne from Binoni hey sine suspect la using utshontshe imoto bathi utshontshe imoto ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi bathi utshontshe imoto mara everyday ekseni ngiya emsebenzini ngayo le moto ngithatha amafayile engiwathathayo ngihambe ngesebenza everyday yes mara bathi utshontshe imoto kodwa ngiza ngayo everyday ekseni mara bathi ngitshontshe
Yeah.
uba nongatshontsha imoto mara eze lapho nimbone aphume ahambe kodwa uyitshontshile le moto
And there's no evidence to say we changing.
ayikho ngithi bachekwa hayi labantu kufanele bazongibopha bathi babuze ukuthi kahle kahle lo muntu osembopha ngoba baseliwe le from Binoni hey the suspect la using utshontshe imoto bathi utshontshe imoto ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi bathi utshontshe imoto mara everyday ekseni ngiya emsebenzini ngayo le moto ngithatha amafayile engiwathathayo ngihambe ngesebenza everyday yes mara bathi utshontshe imoto kodwa ngiza ngayo everyday ekseni mara bathi ngitshontshe
Yo.
uba nongatshontsha imoto mara eze lapho nimbone aphume ahambe kodwa uyitshontshile le moto
And there's no evidence to say we changing.
ayikho and ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi lo mfazi loya akadingi evidence ukuthi angakuyenza into uyenza into njengengane encane yabo umntana omncane makayenza into akanandaba yazi ukuthi une-enga yabo umuntu le-enga unjani uyenza noma yini akanandaba ukuthi abantu uzothini abantu kwenza une-enga and inga-understand ukuthi i-enga yakhe iyaphi.
I don't understand. You say you have like good friends.
Yes.
Is it because Umshato? Is it because a promotion here gave her this thing to say I can do whatever I want?
Yazi mina ngicabangani ne because ezezinye izinto uma umuntu uyayenza introspection
Yeah.
ukuthi hayi man ithi ngizibuke akusiyini inkinga la yabo or isuke yephi kwenzakaleni or what did I go wrong like uyazi introspect ukuthi yimi na inkinga or yabo I tried doing introspection but mengithi ngiyabhekisisa hayi akukho la engiye ngayenza bangikhona like akukho la ngiye ngayenza bangikhona ngokuthi mengithi ngiyabheka mengisho ukuthi lo muntu ngam-invite kwami she came to my house and then I don't think she liked what she saw in my house with my position and her position ungidlula kude ngesalari yomuntu like kude yabo mhlambe senze example mina ngihola 20 ngihola 50 yabo ukude mara if sithatha indlu yakhe sibeke la
Bakuna limathatha liwe
too much sithatha indlu yakhe sibeke la sithatha indlu yakhe sibeke la hey fanele swap sithi we understand and the shooting I understand ukuthi kanjani because she started to change oqala mayeza kwami ngikusebenza ukutwana
okay
that's when I started noticing the change ukuthi no man now cause sokuchitshile yabo yes so okay kuningi about this woman.
Okay, can I ask this question? Something you mentioned earlier on, Ubuti, you have put her as a beneficiary or a guardian if something happens to you. Is it still the same?
No.
Okay.
I changed it when I got married.
Okay.
It's obvious kanti senginomyeni.
Yeah, no, makes sense.
We understand. And that also brought so much bitterness. Asimazi ukuthi ube planning ngami le menza ukuthi akwadi. Because ube khuluma nokhuluma ngayo. Uthi khona manje. Futhi bakahambe ukushaya amathanga. Ile ithe yeah, shaya amathanga khona manje. Ukhiphile mina kubhekisha.
Isn't it obvious when a person is married, of course it should be a husband?
So when ukhiphile so what?
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Yini wrong engiyenzile? Wethile derail yini kwenzakale yini wrong? You understand? Okay. Manje amaphoyisa ngifuna. Amaphoyisa bawalimela funa abantu bafonele back emsebenzini wami ukuthi hayibo lo muntu esimfunayo ubani? Yabo? Bathi udube manje ugugu guys angifunela ngisho nabo abantu engisebenza nabo ngizokhona ukuthi nani bayimfunela wayifunela thina sikude ebhinoni yabo hambani nofuna abanye abantu thina please ngicela just keep me out but they stopped looking for me ngaleso sikhathi and ngicela ukukwazisa ukuthi I can still recall very well when I brought the keys and the car. It was on a Thursday, Easter weekend last year.
Yeah.
So meaning we understand ukuthi it should go Friday and Friday must on Thursday. Go Friday.
Yeah.
Go Saturday. Go Sunday. Go Monday. For me Tuesday. Should go Friday go Saturday and Sunday. And then should into base of Chinese and go to go ship.
Yo.
And then go ship it.
Wait, but where was that?
When I came, the instruction that she also gave to abanye ukuthi nimbophele bathi akazokubophela yesizingeni beba abangani labantu bazosifaka endabeni zakhe asibazi ukuthi babangani makenze mangabe ufuna ukubopha makenze azokubophela yena asibasikhiphe nje thina lapha. Everyone was like hey sisangazosifaka inkingeni. Everyone was saying kanti sisijani angazosifaka inkingeni mangabe ufuna ukubopha ukuphi makambophe thina ngasifaki lapha asifuni inkinga thina sifuna problem. So they never understand me. I parked the car, I gave the keys, I went home. And then waba ne-disciplinary. Ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi before azovula i-case mina bese ngimenzela ama-grievance already.
Yeah.
So ufuna ukwenzani uvala nama-grievance lawa nge-case and uyenza ngiyaspike yangilaya. And you must understand ukuthi umuntu makazovulela i-case yes enye iya e-court which is criminal enye iba disciplinary la emsebenzini. So le disciplinary ngithi bekayiphusha ya mina ngixoxa engene office ya uzoxoxa ya ngiyisebenza kaJuly se-court siya disciplinary so attenda uyoxoxa angene office abatshela ukuthi mina ngixoxa mina umsebenzi yaphela.
Yo.
We went to disciplinary.
Just abantu vele bakhohlakala ngaleyo ndlela ngikubona nje ukuthi bazolahlekelwa umsebenzi.
Mina that woman yazi understand ukuthi uyalala basefuna na. Yazi uyilama type wabantu ukuthi shuthi I think mina bengimbhekile I don't think she sleeps because angeke uhlanganise zonke lezi zinto lezi aziyenza usihlanganise from the 6 movukile. I think now 12 uvukile lo. Yeah, uyahlanganisa
ukuthi khona nje umshikashika.
Mama busy. Lapho kule department. Yo. Professor. Yeah, professor. So ukuthi yazi ezinye izinto I believe uNkulunkulu, I believe kumadlozi. My ancestors have protected me, my God has protected me against this woman. She has tried a lot. Mengithi a lot, ngithi a lot. Okuningi lokho kukhesimokuza bese overcome okuningi already kwezinto zabo magic uyangithola yeah bese overcome okuningi and akhulume futhi uvulele nala ukuthi ngizomlungisa kangazi kahle ushaya amathanga ngizomlungisa kangazi kahle babuza ukuthi ukwenzeni okay ngiyakubona ukuthi uyambiza ngomlungisi ukwenzeni ngeke kasasho ungamthatha umbeke la umthengele amaswidi umthengele umtshela umthengele umbeke la ukuthi ngiyakubona uyalo lokuku ngifuna ukwazi nibangani angeke azakutshela.
And then how did that affect other colleagues in the workplace? Ngiyabuza ukhala kwakhe nini. What about the other colleagues? Bona bafetha kanjani?
Yazi ama colleagues kwenzakaleni ne?
Yeah.
Bakalwa nami. Akakhona ukulwa nami ayi1. Uya recruiter. ukuthi angisho ngibonile yabo bese ayokunye wena ungamnika umsebenzi lo up to today anginikwa mina umsebenzi
so ngesikhathi yakanani
it started from yonke le mvuruvuru it started from last year ngo February notice ukuthi manje yasuka manje but ibithane sekhe iqale from January manje ngigcoke utshalo but February ayike sa exa manje zenza magayiva manje magayiva mamela hayi and uyatshela ukuthi le ngifuna izoyenzakala ama colleagues ngiyatshela ukuthi ningamniki ini khona umuntu engisebenza naye aphuthuleka kamnene isebenza and ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi hayi ukuthi akafuni ukunginika utsheliwe ukuthi yey uze
yena uke wazo uzoconfront ukuthi azi mina ngitshele ukuthi ngingakunikezi
no akazange
but uyabona ngezinto zakhe
yes ngiyabona ukuthi lento engisebenza ngayo into eyenzakala every day umsebenzi like labantu esisebenza ngabo uyabo abantu abenza every day yabo kufanele sibancede every day so umlungu lo usebenza naye yena usebenza ngabo ngaphandle uyaya ngaphandle ayoyenza loyo msebenzi loyo and then make kuya mina mele ngenze i-paperwork so can you imagine ukuthi umlungu makazothi every day athi I don't worry everything is fine I did it yabo there's still no paperwork kodwa ngicela abantu every day but akuna paperwork phela each paper engenayo ine paperwork yayo
so okay mangabe manje kuthiwa something wrong eyenzakalayo okufanele nje paperwork wena nomuntu yomlungu
yimi
okay and manje wena uyenze paperwork
ayikho ihlezi ngekho
uyayenza kodwa yena
uyayenza mara mina bengiyocela ukuthi ngicela unginike ayikho
so mangathiwa manje there is something wrong ngepaperwork uyoblame yena uzoblame wena
uyoblame yena ngoba uyenza nguye
okay
yes angisho isandla sakhe handwriting yakhe mara ngifuna ukuthi umlungu hlezi athi akuna next but let me tell you he's always with files wona la umele ngwayenza uhlezi waphethe and maka mengihlangana naye awaphethe uyabona umlungu ukuthi ngathi akathika abaleke akazi ukuthi ayenze because ngiyambona ukuthi you said you don't have anything for me to do but here you are you've got files uyabona so uyabona ukuthi yenza ukuhlanganisa ngenhloko sonke sicabane because of ivuruvuru yakhe nje ayi-one shuthi kumele ngilo nomlungu mina ukuthi why are you not giving me the job and I can't do that you understand it didn't end there okay waba leyo case leyo we went to that case i-departmentally yakhona we went for departmental and then like she was never even called to even go inside the room trial she was never even called like nithi wayefake i-makeup azenzeni namhlanje azenzeni i-makeup azenzeni ukuthi namhlanje ngizombonisa namhlanje qoshwa vele bambonile ndlela babeka kwelinye room she was not even called to say one word because bayibona lento lokuthi ayikho lento le ayikho lento lento obophisele yona ayikho wena ufake i-grievance eqaleni the grievance was never attended yena uzovula i-docket awuvali i-docket awuvali i-grievance e-docket so that's when they were like sorry we're closing the case wachika ne-makeup yakhe njalo wayesul
no, it's a problem. So, you know what's happening. I know that a lot of people are gonna see this, but you know what's happening. How can this matter be addressed and handled?
Okay. Ngizofika kuleyo answer leyo ne.
Yeah.
But the only solution ukuthi sihlukaniswe.
Okay.
You cannot make no muntu yenza so every day. Like you cannot because ekugcineni itsile sizoshaya ngesotubulana if vele kahle izofika lapho ukuthi ngizodineka nami ngihluthule ukuthi wena soyangiphaphele senginafu ngimshaye ngopamori ngimwiselele itekisini phansi you understand bese bangivule i-docket vele bazolivula i-docket or itsila umuntu uzohluthuleka sesibamshaye uqobo and then what now?
It's not a healthy environment yazivele ngenze ukuthi angake-plan into enjalo
because I'm being provoked on another level. I'm being provoked. We are provoked. So, I want to tell you, okay, we will do the case. The case I call us 7th of July, 2024 last year. ngayiwina icase yakhona.
Yeah.
Yo, abuya akwatile, ne? Makaqeda, I had myself and my husband, ne? Ikolo zazivulwa ngeyi-9. Yeah. Ikolo zazivulwa ngeyi-9 zaka-July. So we had a kumbi, myself and my husband. So that kumbi beyitransporta abantwana, ne? So beyitransporta abantwana le kumbi lena. It happened ikolo zavulwa kuyi-Tuesday. Tuesday yahamba itransporta abantwana balanda. Okay, Thursday we have to Thursday injani masinyana siyaqala ubatransporta because we took them from another malume. Malume gave us labantwana laba to transport them to school Everlake.
Yeah.
So the first day abanye bashiwe, abanye no malume nje, it was a mess. So I had a group that I created for labo mama, the parents, babantwana. Okay, they were not happy the first day. We said, you know what, Tina, siko happy. That's what I was okay, siko happy. I'm starting. I apologize. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. We're gonna rectify that. So you miss. Umalume sasa nakaja nizoba right. Nizoba I told Umalume, Brandon, my man, ngicela umthathe uvuke early boy because ikhumbi ihlala kuye.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I sisibuya. I share uvuke early mfana wami. That was Wednesday. Makavuka early athuya abalanda abantwana abalanda isikhathi esikahle yonke into was fine, time was fine. Yabo abantu ngahle abantwana abathatha yobeka esikoleni. It was fine kube Wednesday. Thursday it happened athuya driver la itsakane ngasimalo ukuthi kuze umunye umfana uhamba ngepolo amchayisa imoto. Makachayisa imoto amfonela isifundo. Sekuseni ngaba 5. Chayisile ini nithi mina thatha ama details omuntu loyo. Can I talk to the driver? Kanti driver icolleague yami. Akangazakazani but ashuthi ayisebenza endaweni so yabo. Oh okay fine mama kunjalo. Kwenzakaleni actually no I was wrong but I'll fix the kumbi. It's mina okay thanks kunjalo. But now I'm working like abazali manje. Isikhathi nalelanda labanye. Kuzu Brandon. Ngitshele are you able to drive now? Maybe we drive at least ifike ngoba uthi ubuti lo uzozama ukulungisa weekend. Since I chasing athi ngizama sisithi azama. So remember manje uyichayisela ngasevilini. So it can't keep up with speed. So it was that. Can you just try drive it until you fetch all the kids, even if it's late, and then you fetch them back. So I communicated with them on the group. Guys, look, the car had an accident, so I'm sorry about that, but yeah, it will be sorted out. So now, meaning now it's only one day that the parents were happy. We choose Wednesday. Now it's Thursday. It could be now it's bumped. Okay, we tried to take the kids, and now it's Friday again. Obviously, it's still the same issue, but now we're waiting for afternoon so that the kumbi can be fixed. They were like, you know what? Sorry, we cannot take it. We cannot take it anymore. We want our money and all that. I'm like, okay, if you want your money, guys, okay, it's fine. Now it's during the month. I've already paid the driver. I've already poured petrol in the kumbi, and then meaning the money that I have to refund you, it's not enough. I also used it. So can you give me until month end? Then I'm going to give you the money. Because all the money that I had to refund to the parents, it was around 13,000. So I said to them, I will pay you the money, but not in all. I will pay the others. Maybe first month, but I will 7,000. The other month, but I will 6,000. I will pay it like in 2 months. Instead of abazali to understand, guarantee. One of the parents knows this woman. It's a small world. One of the parents knows this woman. Law incident. So I think she went for advice or something. I don't know. Obviously, this woman. I'm in the police station. For the education fraud. Fraud. Like, okay, now we fraud. Now I'm called. Hey, Kuku, come about to them 17. That's because of the case of fraud. The fraud? What did I defraud now? Like, the fraud? Yeah, actually they've been told by one colonel who works here that you must open a fraud case for them. I go, because they are now fast. This woman. And I want to tell you, when the fraud case was opened, it was on the 12th day of July. That previous one that they withdrew against me, it was on the 7th of July. So we are going to see now she's getting an opportunity. Open a fraud case. The people that were like, no, there's no fraud case. Like, there's no fraud case. Fraud case. It was open. Now fraud case has to be departmental and criminal. Okay, fine. We went on with the case. We went on. Until I was complete. Yeah. The case was opened in July. Yeah. We went on. And then until they didn't want to give. There was a trial.
Yeah.
They didn't want to give me the sentence or whatever, the verdict or whatever it is. We'll see. Do they find me guilty or not? In December, the last time we attended, they said they were going to contact.
Yeah.
They said they were going to contact.
Yeah.
Okay. Now they're giving me the dating of the 27th of January. They're giving me the date. Yogulanda is sentencing whether I'm going to guilty or not. Go January 27th.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I'm going to January 27th. I'm getting before I could get my sentence. Her friends are they've got some connection of going to unlicensed shebins and
okay.
Yeah, so the friends that have got alcohol. And I'm going to tell the alcohol is being stored in some office. Amarula, Savannah. No one is doing anything about it. They are untouchable. No one is doing anything about it. Who knows yes. So now the friends, they've come to try. Ati Ubo. Not that. Ukuku is coming to come and get evicted. So Tina, we are planning a party. So as a party, what we are called. Yeah, say I already Tina, your cause for a fraud. But planning a family, which goes in parts. So you know God is always wonderful. Yeah, we pray God.
He's a good God.
Yes, God, you know. I went to get my verdict. That's CC. I'm not guilty with all 5 charges. I figure with my guy.
Hey, umakaiva wakali. But umakaiva ngeke.
Kanjani. Let me tell you, Uguti. Yeah, that's the part of the bitterness or the most hurting thing I've ever experienced after that day.
Okay.
I got the verdict on 27th of January.
Yeah.
And then myself and my friend, we went to a spa. We eat together, myself and my friend. We sit in the same office.
Yeah.
We went to a spa to buy ukudla and also cold drink. We came, we drank the cold drink, something that we always do.
Yeah.
We don't have a fridge. So we usually, when we bought a 2-liter bottle of cold drink, we usually drink it up to half.
Okay.
And then we leave it by the office down so that it doesn't get cold. We leave it doesn't get hot.
Yeah.
And then we leave it there. And then when we leave it there, that's when we will drink it the following day. I want to tell you that in that office, there were 2 people that were occupying that office.
Yeah.
My friend and her colleague, Abashara, the office. She also had the key of that office, Umakai. For what reason, we don't know, because she has an office of her own. I don't know.
Yeah.
Because she knows what's me now. I'm forever in that office. Remember, I've got my own office.
Yeah.
Mara, there's nothing to do in my office. Because Msebenzi work has been taken away from me. So I come and go, nothing. I'm not doing anything in Msebenzi because my guy feels guilty. I must not touch anything that belongs to the company.
Yes.
So now, 27, we drink the cold drink. We eat the food. We leave the cold drink there.
Yes.
Remember, it is your itini. Yagamagaiva, Guti. Now this is the other one. Let me tell you what happened.
Let me guess. Yeah, this is terrible.
Okay, we went home, we drank the cold drink. 27 Monday, if I'm not mistaken, it was on a Monday. We drank the cold drink and then we went home, we left it there. And then Tuesday we come. And then we come Tuesday, we drink this cold drink with faith in each other next. We drank the cold drink. We were fine that Tuesday. We were fine, myself and my friend. And then Wednesday, when I come in the morning to work, there was a meeting that was held in Seventeen for our colleagues about it. We went to the meeting. When I was sitting in that meeting, yes, my stomach, feeling this pain, like there's something there. It was so painful. Then I'm telling my friend, she doesn't feel my pain. And she's like, I know. Because I usually eat sand to me. I eat it plus getting sand.
Oh, why?
Okay, this was the craving I had from pregnancy. Oh. So I thought it would fade off, so it never faded. Okay. So even up to now, I eat it plus getting sand and I enjoy it. So I thought, I thought it was it. Now I said, now I should and then for me, I was sick. I was sick, very, very, very sick. And then being sick as I was, then you have paid meeting, Okay. Then I go to the office and for the case. Because they gave me water. When they gave me water, guys, I want to vomit. Okay. This woman is not I'm going to the toilet. When I was at the then I'm going downstairs, I'm going to the toilet. Then I'm vomiting. I'm vomiting because the man. I'm vomiting. I usually start I usually feel usually start but you would start when they need to end the Pumayo. But I'm not at that moment to see. Anything you see. We have so so same week, man, same week, same Lala, the toilet. So then, when you office and mind you, I got next this morning because when we got to work, we went to the meeting. So I got next. So I went to go to work every I think it does or the scent. The only thing I ate was the scent before I could go to work. So now I'm worried with the same thing as I saw. We have and I've been eating the scent from 2020. So it's on Kulisa, Nankai, about 2025, what China watch. So I'm like, I'm sick. But I speech. I see when you're cool. What's that line? No, Kuluma, I was like, I'm so cool. Some wiki, I'm so cool. Come back. That's what we took these up. Or can you take it to hospital? I don't mind going to a center. But the only thing in the problem now, it's many years later, I stay with my kids alone, my husband is not around. So I only stay with myself and my kids. So what I do, okay. What if they admit me? So, okay. Actually, it will cut. They need to be away more. I'll be fine. I'm one of those people who wants to stay brave. I'm like that. I'm full of I'm going to actually weak. Saying a car. So it's me. No. I'll drive myself. I told myself in kind way. Who's to go drive yourself? I'll drive myself. I really can't. Puma. You approach model, find the food. And the more I vomit, the weaker I get.
Sure.
Say the weak mind, like say, and at that moment, say your sweat. That is a foot way. Bangladesh, because I stay in Springs. In the England, I'm about the Pala side. After Pala, this is now I want to vomit. Paga aside. Then Paga aside, Timothy said, I also sister, as it was of Parliament. because you can't drive. Why is that I have to brave ngoba uyabona uyagula kuku? Angibone vele ukuthi no. Ngihlanze. Ngicela ngiyehle, ngihlale ukudla. Ngihlale ukudla. Mangihlale ukudla ngizizwa ukuthi I'm weak. I'm sick ngiyagula manje. Manje ngiyagula manje. Hambe, ngihlale ukudla angidrive afike. Ngene imoto ingandele lo mkhwebeka manje umfana isebenza naye. Angandele umfana asilandele samsame sifike endlini athi igedlela ngicuphoyela amanzi akulala ibhakede unginike ibhakede unginike ijele uphoyela amanzi ufake uqala noshukela athi ngicela uvomit ukhiphe lesanti yakho ngane nengikhipha lesanti ayisakuphumi kakhulu because I didn't eat there. I think I must put into lesanti so ngihlanzile kokuqala remember and then ngihlanzile kokuqala ngahlanza endleleni esayemotweni ngahlanza ephasijini so endleleni when the lady came and took over what time sengihlanze nge-3 already lesanti ephumile ayisekho but manje bengibele ngihlanza phambi kwakhe ngibele ngihlanza by force yabo ngibele ngiyagapha so ngiyezwa khona lento embi engibele ngihlanza yabo yini lento i-taste yakhona i-taste ngathi uyabona inyongo yenkukhu mangabe ike yachithekela emathumbini yabona bitterness yes it was like that yabo so I'm like yini lento kuma yabo at that moment so gone like concentrated kuling kwami manje yabo I'm sure athi kushow ufike esibhedlela no she athi if you feel worse if you feel worse call the ambulance or call me I'll come back ngizokunikisa esibhedlela ngithi kushow athi ngicela ukunikisa esibhedlela angikhona ukukhuluma incathulo ukukhuluma amakawusi athi khumula ijezi or something skipper angazi angikhumule athi hlala empedeni athi ufuna ukulala ngomvulo athi ngicela ungene empedeni ulale ungangilula nenkani ibona ngithethisa vele okay bes aphuma happy she back happy it was I can't remember but it was around about 12 so yonke lento beyenzakala okay alright sharp ngibe busy ngiyahlanza but manje into engicakayo manje sengiyagodola yabo ngiyagodola mara ekugodoleni kwami I'm sweating now ngijuluka ukuthi ngiyacha mara ngiyajuluka mara ngiyagodola shuthi ngiyagodola ngiyacha sometimes ngiyagodola ngiyacha ngapha isisu hayibo sakalanda manje hayi that's when I notice ukuthi mina wasisanti le asisanti le this is more to be santi ngine amaphilisi what's this thing like phezulu emzimbeni we charcoal endlini so ngikhumbula ukuthi no ekhabetheni ngamaphilisi we charcoal and manje indlu yami inkulu ne ukusuka ekamereni ukuyofika ekitchen ukude yabo now I'm thinking how will I get to that charcoal now because ingqondo yami seyabuya ukuthi I think it was poison la I was poisoned la yo I had to crawl I had to crawl from my bedroom to the kitchen because now I'm weak. I remember about 12 months. Because the question was, because I didn't eat anything. Okay, I crawled to the kitchen. I took the pills, I went to the zinc, I drank the pills. I crawled back to a camerate. When I go to a camerate, now I can't even lift myself up to go to the bed. The way I need making a call, I was so weak. Now I'm like, okay, how do I get up? I tried, I forced myself, I go to the bed. Now I'm shaking. I am shaking now. I'm like, now what do I do now? Yeah, now my husband called me. I tried talking to him. I can't talk now. My speech is off now. My speech is running off like sing I'm vomiting. Like singing my yeah, imagine I'm sweating, but I'm feeling cold. ngiyazimbesa ngengubo but ngiyajuluka mara ngiyakotola.
Signs of the poison.
Yes. Now it's around 1 o'clock. My daughter, who is 7, she comes back from school around 3:30.
Yeah.
1. Now my husband told me, "What's even that?" I'm trying to explain, but I can't talk. The speech is out.
Yeah.
Like, what's even that? I'm telling you, I think it's poison. The poison. Yes. So what am I gonna do? I don't know what to do. Can you drive me? I can't even walk. So driving is another thing. What's that much? You let them at your panic. And you are alone with his party. Can I call Usman? I've got a friend of mine who's also my neighbor in Shalabu Estate, so he stays the same street as me. We are very close, me and I. Complex. I followed Usman because it was around 3. I was following Usman at Mr. Pito and another Chinese. And the very other Chinese Usman. Now what? Okay, need to wait. Let's wait until Shalabu is for me. My second born. She's 8 now. Mami manajalo nyashugeka. Hey, abona le yapena ngeke ngiphile possibly nyama. Nyashugeka, ngani nyashugeka. Until uhlelo came, makafika uyabona imoto. Yabo? Makabona imoto, uthi uhlelo wena. Mami, come and open for me kuza kubhaka. I can't even scream. Mommy, are you there? I can't even say a thing. She screamed and she screamed. Maruna is PSI, but I think when I go to Thai, come and open for me because we are here. I do that anyway. PSI can sit somewhere. So I think they're going to do something. I touched Kia as the PSI. Magafulang is Kia. She found me helpless and jigging in there. Mommy, what's wrong? I can't even talk. Mommy, what's wrong? Abang, she was 7, a 7-year-old having to experience my care. I wanted that part, it hurt me. It hurt me so much. Mommy, what should I do? Now I'm trying to tell her, drink me water. I do what? I ended up saying, water, mommy. She went to get water. The more I drink water, remember now I'm shaking because I'm hungry now. I'm hungry. Like singing mess. You understand?
Yeah.
And then kind of brought when I just drank the water, it came out. Anything I eat, it comes out now. Even the charcoal that I drank, charcoal, I could see them when I'm vomiting, vomiting them charcoal. Then I'm like, Mommy, what should I do? Mommy, how can I help you? Mommy, can you drive? I'm like, Mommy, go to someone, call. Where? Go. Go to Malachi's place. Our neighbor's Malachi. Go and get someone. It takes her long to understand because now I'm able to talk. And then why Mommy, there's nobody there. It's okay. Go to your friend's place. I'm trying. Superman. Go to the Superman. Go. Then she ran. Mommy, I found Superman's dead. 2 years. Now this cat is a shower 4 or 2-4. Now I have to stand up and call. I have to stand up, get some pajamas. Walker. Mikey, what's wrong? Mikey is better. It's medical aid card. Parkland. We went to Parkland. Once figure Parkland, we figure what's wrong. I was like, I'm sick. Help me, I'm sick. But medical aid, never need medical aid. Sick, help me, I'm dying. But I suspect poison. Same time, I'm tired. Then I don't know to be fine. Same time, I'm reception. I'm feeling reception. What's wrong? We have a child who's poison. Because I was like, poison. The only thing I was like, poison. Because I can't explain further. I'm calling my mind. I don't know the speech. I'm looking at that. You're going to be fine. ngoba ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi 3 minutes was too long ukuthi i-drip lakhona ngisabe i-drip mina le I hate hospitals. I don't go to hospitals because I'm fully medicated and the pain one I'm fully drip. I don't get along with such things, but ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi like I was not scared on that day. I was like pull it like maybe I just drip it they just put it like willingly and then it was will have us fast. 3 minutes was enough. I felt like,
like 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
It just took 3 minutes.
I was like, guys, I took this other lady, that your sister, I must sometimes they were poison. They were pushing my point. This thing is I the poison fast.
Okay.
I even told them which I drank charcoal. So it's charcoal in the deal, although they put my mother. You can't make a need and doctor want to admit her. Mother's doctor, one check on that's doctor. I'm sorry, you can't admit me. I've got kids. You're 5-year-old, you're 7-year-old. Who's gonna take care of them? Doctor, I'll give you a script and then you go home. Lawyer, umakela nongilandile sekahambile phela ngeke angilinde phela. Ngimkhululile but you can go home. And then sengfonela abantu usimanga kusema. Usimanga izabandla uzongilandile. Abantu shema kuye uthathe angibeke. Kukuyini ngithi mengisamile endlini ayaqala futhi amapain. Ithi simanga kwenzakalani athi poison ayiphumeluli. Even the doctor said it athi drink this poison ayiphumeluli isazokuvulvala. The same time into the boy endlini ngiye the friend of mine lost shell drink. John, I'm starting to have stomach cramps. How? Kaja ati ngiyakula. And at that moment I'm calling nami angakabi right yabo. Ngithi kuye okay ngingina ngizobuya kuwe. Like ngiyakula nami.
Yo.
Ahambe ending ebusuku kwakathabula lapha. Isisu vomiting. Except I am 17. Maka I'm 17. Ati isisu lapho sekinqonda mse right manje ati Tommy yakula ngithi yekela whatever yenza manje. Whatever it is. Anganda ukuthi pretend how is it right now. Ati angisakho ngithi baba kuze la mento baba khali. Ngithi poison now uzothola. Poisoniwe la. Ngane she rushed to hospital. Uthi makafika ufike aphethe ibag ambulance emsebenzini wethu. Bathi wathi hayi izolo bakhona ikuku la streamela bangumsindo awusungani kagugu. Athi ngisebenza naye ingani wami. Athi this was they knew ukuthi bapoisoniwe.
Yo.
Bamnceda mala bathi kuye yours ibed ba-admit for 4 days.
Yo.
Ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi u-admithela ini izono zami shuthi mina ngifana mina ngoba leya poison bebhekane nami. Wavulelwa masibuya athena wonke ama-blood i-cold drink leya i-cold drink le iyasala sathuma one of our friends ukuthi sicela ukuthi usebenzele le-cold drink because loya muntu unesikhiya phela angavula ayithathe le-cold drink ayidestroy
evidence.
Yes yathandwa le-cold drink yabekwa yathi nayibekwa kanjalo sayithatha le-cold drink after because belinde ama-results ama-sick notes from esibhedlela ashow i-doctor specify ukuthi yini yasho ukuthi suspected poison mina yami mara urifilwe mabamthatha ama-test bamthatha bayithola i-poison emzimbeni wakhe.
Yo.
Potassium something i-alpirin
Ha!
sisamabhulwane sisakwela ama-alpirin
Yo.
emsebenzini.
Ha!
Yeah, it was bad.
Text nje like yonke.
Yes.
Awukhohlakala lo.
Hayi nesisiloyana. Uyasisinehlizweni.
Ukhohlakala lo.
Yazi it hurt me
Sure.
so much ukuthi it was so bad ukuthi mangibheka. I think for the whole week ngisemsebenzini it was just tears coming off. Ngibala lento lokuthi guys shoot kufanele ngabe arrange ngabo wethu thina manje.
Yo.
Shoot mina kufanele ngife.
Was this confronted? I guess who's a good news?
Ngicela ukukuthela ngena i-point ebuhlungu ne kuwe impezi emsebenza kuyo. Sinomphathi omusha oqala ukuphatha ngoDisemba. Ophethe the whole place la sebenza khona.
Yeah.
Oqala ukuphatha ngoDisemba. So lo mphathi lo musha ngasho ukuthi obvious akazazi into zala isebenza khona ukuthi ubani ulwa nobani ini yabona into ezinjalo shapa. Mina what I did is ngamtshela even ngisafika ukuthi nginenkinga ngomuntu o-1 lo muntu lona akafuni ukusebenza kasona so wambiza umhlalisa phansi waphika ikinto angayiphiki phika kwasani loya mama loya waphika okay bazama ukuthi bangisebenzise nanalokhisha. Then along the time ngibele ngilinde ama-results and everything i-code isibekile. Mina I confronted my attorney with nice situation ngathi for the case attempted murder. Ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi I opened the case attempted murder. Okay? Lama case wayengivulela wona lawa wama using the vehicle owner's consent. Ama case wama fraud. Lama case lawa makawavula. Angisho thina remember usivulelwa i-departmental sivulelwe criminal. Yena uvulelwe i-criminal manje uvulile iya investigate. Mara avulelwe i-criminal so mele futhi avulelwe i-departmental. Ayinakavuma ukuthi guys ngaya kumphathi osiphethe ukuthi ngicela ukuthi uvule departmental for lo muntu athi no investigation science kanjani mina ngoba nami ngavule departmental investigating science ngisho ngavule departmental yena yakhe ixuba kuphi ukuthi eyakhe ivulelwe nayo so ngayibona ukuthi okay laza ngisho bathi bafunde bonke ngo-1995 nomphathi wethu loyo. So shuthi uyabona ukuthi njani bafunde bonke ngo-1995 so shuthi abangani la so shuthi mina wala bengikhulumayo ke into ezomamela. So it happened like that kwaba leyo story leso up until today ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi kunalento sibiza ukuthi angeke uzufake umuntu oyi-suspect especially attempted murder umbeke endaweni engwanemsebenzi uyamuviwa loyo muntu loyo amikisa ukuthi wena place ukuthi because obviously angeke kusabe ne-environment ekahle and kuwest umuntu umphathi wami kunalento sibiza ukuthi rating emsebenzini uyareyitwa siyareyitwa umphathi wakho akureyite asho ukuthi hayi ngikunika i-5 rating yakona ima-2 to 5 ngikunika u-5 usebenza kakhulu ngikunika u-4 ngikunika mame ngathi uyabheda bakunika u-2 bakunika u-1 ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi ezakuthethe izolo ne that file yami leyo I've been looking for it for 3 weeks. Yazi ihleli kubani? Ihleli kuyima guys. I've been looking for that file for 3 weeks ukuthi ifile lami kuphi abantu bayareyitwa iya-capture ku-system ifile lami kuphi ifile lami kuphi I had to go to the station command ukuthi ifile lami kuphi wathi ifile lami kulo muntu wambiza weza nayo ngathi wahlenge file wathi mina ngizok-underrate ngizok-underrate angisho phela i-underrate yazi hamba nani ukuthi angeke ngize ngithole 3% ye-increase the-salary yami kuyenza kuyangilaya and mina I ended up going to another department ukuthi ngicela ngiphele umsebenzi anginamsebenzi banginika umsebenzi kwi-department ye-HR sengenza umsebenzi wase-HR because lo msebenzi lo ngiwenzayo uthathiwe yonke into anginikwa so knowing ukuthi yena utshela abantu ukuthi banganginiki umsebenzi yena futhi uthi mina ngifuna ukusebenza umsebenzi kanjani yenzeni uyoshiya ngencindi ukuthi ethola umsebenzi.
No man, this is really horrible. I don't wish this to anyone, not even to my enemies. Lento endlela uphathiswa ngayo ibuhlungu kakhulu. And if you are there and you're watching and you know what there can be a solution, please just come up comment section. Let us know how we can help, but this needs to have a solution, guys. So if there's anyone who wants to help and on your department and then mhlawumbe angakusiza in a way, where can they find you? Kuma socials?
Kuma socials, TikTok, Kukulicious.
Okay.
And then Facebook, Lucy Gatindi.
Okay.
And then they can also, can I give them my number?
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah.
Okay. My number is 073-766-9168. They can WhatsApp me on that number as well. Yes.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Kuku. Guys, you have heard it, and if guys always pay that, listen, the things are correct. Unkulunkulu uzokubamba yeso. Yeah, unkulunkulu uzokubamba. Evil doesn't prevail always. a solution will be there. And trust me, izinto zakho ziyakulandela. And when it comes back to you, ungakhali, because you cannot deserve it, because we are all given our works according to the measures that we also give to other people. So with that being said, please, if you have a position, a higher position to someone, it doesn't give you the right to abuse that position, and you don't have to mistreat other people, because you don't know the umuntu angakusiza kanjani. Ungabhekeli abanye abantu phansi ubabheke ukuthi bona baphansi, because one day when you fall, you're gonna fall to the very same people and they will have to help you. So with that being said, are there any last words that you'd like to say, Mrs. Gugu?
Hey, ama-last words manje ukuthi yazi if ngingafinyelela mhlambe angazi ilizwi likaNkulunkulu engqondweni yakhe, or somebody that can assist ukuthi hayibo, or someone onga-assista mhlawumbe ukuthi amsuse into engiyidingayo, amsuse phambi kwami, because mina akusimina i-suspect, I'm not the suspect. I'm not the one that's supposed to be moved from la ngisebenza khona ngiyiswe kwenye indawo, because I'm not the only one amhluphayo. I'm not the only one. Ngiyakhalwa la sisebenza khona. So if ngafika someone akhona understand ukuthi umuntu osowakwazi ukuhlala endaweni la kune case especially evuliwe against yena, we cannot stay in that environment nalo muntu. So imagine umuntu bazokuleta ngo1 arate mina ngirate ngo1, yabona ukuthi lo muntu uyala. Now good people are able to see good.
No, a poison. That is attempted murder. You know.
And akwenziwa nothing. Nothing. Mamela, mengithi na shuthi noma benifile bokuyobe kufe nje yangazi inja or something. Akwenziwa next, all is well. Right. All is well. Someone nje mangafika engqondweni or ifinyelele kubantu mhlamba basiphethe ukuthi hayibo kanti kwenzakala so endaweni so, uyabona lo muntu makamuviwe amikiswe kwenye indawo, ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi bekasebenza eThwathu ne ukusuka kwakhe eThatha azosebenza endaweni la ngihlala khona, watshontsha utshwala endaweni la kuhlala khona ama-exhibits or izinto lezi ezitshontshiwe, watshontsha lapho umuviwe from lokho, akazange lahlala esisebenza khona ngobuhle ukuthi hayi uze ngoba ayi-problem, asilethele i-problem la sisebenza khona, sekayi-problem manje, uyayibona. So if nje ngingafinyelela someone ukuthi hayi I want to help or I want to assist, bandla ngifuna lolo sizo lolo, because angisazi ukuthi ngenzeni, ngoba umthetho uthi kukhishwa i-suspect phambi ebantwini le abahluphayo, akukhishwa i-victim ihambiswe njengasecourt. Ngisho uma ngabe kune-court kune-case ye-suspect ne-victim, umuntu bamnikisa ejele, bamnikisa i-suspect, bamnikisa i-victim. So umuntu ofanele asuswe la nguye, asuke la phambi kwami, because I don't know what's next.
This is really, really horrible and terrible. If someone can help, please let us know wherever you are, whether it's Soweto, whether it's Pretoria, or any kind of the provinces of South Africa. Please, we are asking for your assistance because there's supposed to be injustice that's supposed to be happening. Konala, you know. So, yeah, if you are then you're watching and you were, touched deeply, please say something in the comment section if you can help out or you know someone who can help. Because you never know, maybe you are there and you're watching. Please, we need your assistance. With that being said, thank you so much. Catch us if you have never subscribed, as I said, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and engage in the comment section and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop something. With that being said, thank you so much and God bless you.